Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to stop Spotify from playing suggested songs. Spotify sometimes adds recommended or suggested songs after your playlist or album ends. While this helps you discover new music, many users prefer Spotify to stop playing once their selected content finishes. To stop suggested songs, open the Spotify app and go to your profile. Next, go to Settings and Privacy and then click on Playback. Find the option called Autoplay. This setting prevents Spotify from automatically playing similar or recommended songs. When your playlist, album, or queue ends, make sure Autoplay is turned off for both Wi-Fi and mobile data if those options are shown. Once disabled, Spotify will stop playback when your chosen content finishes, and that's it. We just learned how to disable Spotify's autoplay feature to stop suggested songs from playing automatically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial videos.